Hello everybody, welcome back to One to Step. In today's video, I'll be guiding you on how you can change profile picture on Tinder. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and open up Tinder application. Now the user interface will appear somewhat like this. From the appear section, go ahead and tap on the little profile icon which is appear on the bottom right corner. Now you'll be appear with your profile section. Now in here you can see your profile. Tap on your profile. Tap on that pencil icon which is appear near to your profile picture. Now to change your profile picture, what you can do is simply go ahead and tap on plus icon and add another picture. And to change profile picture, what you can do is simply select another picture and swipe it to the first row. Once you are done, tap on done, and yeah, your profile picture will be changed. And this is how easily you can change profile picture on Tinder. So if you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.